Hi, Miss Divine Rose Channel. Una, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana yung araw na to ay magbigay ng kasiyahan para sa'yo. Isa ako sa masayang kaibigan na nakilala kita dito sa YT World. Thank you for being a good friends. Napaka-supportive mo. Gusto ko yun para sa'yo, yung napaka-supportive mo. Hindi lamang para sa akin, kundi para rin sa mga friends mo, siyempre. Wish ko, sana always good health para sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. And be a strong, yung pagiging strong woman mo, believe din ako sa'yo. And good luck for being a good mother to your son. Hoping the best future in him. Good luck sa pag-aaral niya. And thank you so much kasi lagi mo akong minomotivate, siyempre. Kung paano i-workout si YT. Thank you so much para doon. Napakabait mo talaga. Ingat ka palagi and sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And yun lang. And andito lang ako para always na nakasupport din sa'yo, syempre. And again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Ken.
Hello, Divine! Miss Divine Rose Channel, Sisi kong ganda. Ayan, Sisi ba? Pwede mo na akong tawaging ate. Pwede Sisi din naman pala yun. Ayan. Pwede mo na akong tawaging tita or whatsoever. But okay lang, sige. Yang ng puso, ng pag-iisip ng puso. Alright, happy birthday sa'yo, and wish ko for you is good health, happiness, and a successful YT career. At kung saan ka man today, ingat. And of course, enjoy ka. Have a blast today. And sobrang thankful ako na nakilala kita dito sa YT World at naging close tayo dahil sa isang team natin na Team USA. So, whatever it takes, andito lang kami. Laging susuporta sa'yo. Of course, we support each other. And maraming salamat for always supporting my live din. Sa pag-akyat, sa pagkanta. Ayan, thank you so much. Napakaganda, napakabait, at napakagaling kumanta. Asan ka pa? Ayan, sinasabi ko. Kending lang lagi tayo. Again, happy birthday. God bless. And love you more.
Hello guys, this is your truly friends, Barang Queen or Friend Zone. Ayan, ang Barang Queen ng Team USA, of course, at nag-iisang mambabarang ng YTZ. Ayan, hello guys, good day to each and every one of you. Ayan, I just want to greet our friends. Ayan, Miss Divine Rose Channel. Ayan, I want you to greet a happy birthday, and wishing you a good health always, and stay beautiful, stay pretty, stay sexy, and stay humble, of course. And thank you very much for supporting Barang Queen and Friend Zone Channel, and thank you very much for YouTube, because you know, we met each other, we built a friendship, we do a fun, and hoping that we will stay together everlasting. Ganon, di ba? Na kasi hoping na marami pang happiness na mga magaganap, marami pang mga kalokohan, tawanan, kulitan na magaganap sa mundo ng YTC, and stay together, keep in touch. Ganon, ayan, so sana you're always in a good condition, good health, and of course, God bless you and your family, and hoping that you achieve all your dreams in life, your goals, di ba? Ayan, and ayun, so thank you very much, and agbiyan, ti Ilocano kung Ilocana, char! Ganon, so ayun na nga, so thank you very much, and once again, happy birthday, and keep safe always, and smile to be a more pretty like me. Char! Alas, sayang wala akong lipstick. Charot. Ayan. So, ayun na nga. Thank you very much, guys. Once again, this is your truly friends, Barang Queen of YTC World. And of course, Friend Zone. Char! Bye, guys! I love you!
Hi, good morning. And my name is Bella, and today I just wanted to greet Miss Divine. Miss Divine, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best in life. You are one person who a lot of women will be jealous, we get jealous. It's because of your beauty, your talent, your awareness of yourself, your what else? Your boldness and your courage. You do have that self-awareness, which I like, you know, and you're not just that. You're not just a beautiful person. You're not just a talented and smart person, but you know what? You're courageous. You are bold, you know, and I commend that about you. And I hope that you know that about yourself. It's because that is a great quality of a woman, to have the courage and to have that patience and self-awareness of who you are as a person. And I wrote down a little bit more about you, and so I just wanted to read on. And I say that you have the self-confidence that shows in your smile. You have that empathy. You empathize with people. You know, when you hear stories, you know, I see that in you, that you empathize. You have that emotions that shows that you empathize with people. Yeah, so I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday, and I hope that your birthday will be such an inspiring day for you, and I hope that you find the peace, and also I you know, I wish that whatever it is that you have dreams, and I hope that it will come true. You know, sometimes, you know, we think of all these dreams and aspirations in life, and I think if we put our one step ahead, and as well as our hearts into it, in the universe will just conform to it. And so I wish for you, Miss Divine, that one day your dreams will come true, whether it's whatever it is, like, you know, whatever is your dream, you know, whether you want to be rich, you want to be, you know, a social media princess or a queen, or whatever it is, you know, we all have desire, you know, we all have desire, and don't be embarrassed about it. You have the talent, you know, you have the talent, you have the heart. Why not go for it? So, Miss Divine, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best, and see you around.
Happy birthday sa aking nag-iisang lalab sa YT, Miss Divine Rose Channel. Thank you. And malaki na itulong sa akin ng ating Miss Divine Rose. Napag-graduate niya ako ng grade 7, grade 8, and grade 9 ng baby pa ang channel ko. So, all the best for you, lalabs, for your channel, for your life, for your love life and everything. Sana maging maligaya ka, and ingat-ingat palagi, and you know, andito lang lagi si RT para sa ating lalabs. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, and God bless.
Hi everyone! Gusto ko lang po i-greet yung maganda kong Sisi Babe. Nag-iisang Sisi Babe ko dito sa YT, no other than Miss Divine Rose Channel. Ng happy birthday. Stay blessed, humble, and charming, of course. Thankful ako at nakilala kita. Ang wish ko lang sana hindi ka na tampuhin at mahanap mo na yung the one and forever mo that you will spend the rest of your life with. Andito lang po ang Team USA mag-support sa'yo. Thank you, Sisi Babe, sa walang sawang support din sa akin. And good luck sa channel mo. More blessings to come, more friends, and of course, happiness in life. Thank you, and congratulations in advance, and happy birthday again.
Mega love shout out to you, Miss Divine Rose Channel. Wishing you all the best on your birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays. Thank you very much for this opportunity na batiin kita sa inyong kaarawan. Salute to you and to all OFWs. Panatilihin po natin na malakas ang ating pangangatawan dahil ito po ang ating malaking puhunan para magawa ang ating mga trabaho dyan sa abroad. Once again, maraming salamat sa opportunity na to. Looking forward for more of your vlogs. Sana all may pagkain na vlogs. Enjoy live streaming. Nandito lang po ako to support, Charlie Charles TV, to support you at sa iba pang mga kaibigan natin dito sa YT World. Once again, happy birthday and good luck to your channel. See you around. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wishing you all the best on your birthday, na sana stay pretty as you are, sweet, at sana hindi ka magbago. Alam mo, nandito lang ako palagi para sa iyo. At sana maging straight lang yung direction ng ating buhay. Ayun. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. At sana matupad mo mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At magiging masaya ka palagi. Good luck sa iyong channel na alam kong laging namumulaklak. Amoy rosas. Ayun. Happy birthday, babe. Thank you. Nandyan ka din palagi nagsusupport. Andito lang din ako. Again, happy birthday. Love you. Bye.
Hello everyone, this is Boss John Vlogs. Ako po ay bumabati ng isang maligayang kaarawan sa ating kapatid na si Miss Divine Rose Channel. Ganda. Wishing you all the best. Maraming salamat at nakilala kita dito sa mundo ng YouTube. Maraming salamat at lagi kang nakasupport sa channel ko since day 1 na pumasok ako dyan sa channel mo, dyan sa LS mo. Nakasupport ka palagi sa akin mula nang nagkakilala tayo. More uploads, and once again wishing you all the best at sana makita mo na yung the one mo na hinahanap mo. At maging maligaya na yung puso mo. Once again, happy birthday to you. Thank you and God bless. Stay safe palagi, ganda. Bye-bye.
This is Irish USA.
Tito Tatuti.
Miss Divine Rose Channel. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
to you. And we wish that no more
we wish you a gazillion subscribers.
Yes, gazillion.
And that people would stop sending you pornographic material.
more to come.
I can't. You gotta delete that off there.
More banana.
That poor woman.
We will send you a real we will find.
She has a channel. She is a beautiful young woman, right?
Just miss. This is Irish USA.
Tito Tatuti.
Do you miss Divine Rose Channel inside? I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hello. Meron lang po tayong babatiin isang kasamahan sa YT World, YT Family, ang ating kabsat na si Miss Divine Rose Channel. Alright, happy birthday, kabsat Divine. Wish ko lang sa iyo guys good health and stay beautiful. Ayun, stay beautiful. Sana all beautiful. Sana maraming oras at maraming panahon pa tayo ang ating pagsasama sa YT World. Maraming salamat sa iyong palaging pag-support sa ating LS, sa ating premiere. Ay ganun dyan, maraming salamat. Sana ngayong araw na ito is magiging masaya at masaya. Sana darating na ang iyong the one. Ayan. lagi maging happy ka din sa iyong love life daw. Muli, happy birthday ka at Divine. Hopefully, maging masaya ka yung araw na ito at marami ka pang mga mapapasaya sa YT World. Happy birthday ulit! I love you, Kabsat! Bye-bye!
Hello, mega love shoutout everyone! Ate Divine, kung maganda, happy birthday. Wish ko ngayong birthday mo good health, happiness, at enjoy your day. Thank you sa YT at ikaw yung Ate Divine kung maganda. At alam mo na yon, thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Mahal kita kahit na, alam mo na, madalang ako mag-YT, hindi ako masyado nakaka-support. Basta mahal kita. Gusto ko lang, lagi kang masaya. At enjoy your day. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello Divine, happy birthday. So yan, 'di ba? Parehong April ang birthday natin, kaya pala parehong tayong cute. Charot. Divine, happy birthday. Simpleng mensahe lang para sa iyo. Ingatan mo sarili mo diyan, malayo ka sa pamilya mo. So nandito lang ang mga Team Tigang para support sa yung pagla-live, sa upload. So yan, shout out sa mga Team Tigang diyan ha. Ayan. So ano pa? Salamat din pala sa pag-support mo dun sa amin, sa mga Team Tigang. Alam mo naman yon, kahit nagtatrabaho tayo, support. So hanggang dito na lang siguro yung sasabihin ko, Divine. Huwag na natin pabahan to, kaya saan pa tayo aabot. Happy birthday ulit. God bless. Keep safe.
Hi everyone! Once again, this is Troy Summit 21. Gusto ko lang pong bumati ng happy birthday kay Miss Divine Rose. Ayan, happy birthday Divine Rose channel. I wish you all the best and happiness. I wish you a wonderful day ahead of you. Ayan, happy birthday! Bye! See you! Hi! Miss Divine Rose Channel! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Many more birthdays to come. Ayan, ang pinaka-wish ko talaga sa'yo, alam mo, diba, lagi kong sinasabi, ay ang mahanap mo na ang the right one mo. Ayan, sana mahanap mo na ang iyong jowa. Diba? Joy is life. Ayan. So, enjoy your day at syempre, mag-ingat ka lagi kung saan ka man pumupunta dyan. Kung saan ka dyan namamasyal-pasyal. Ayan. So, mag-ingat palagi. God bless. And sana lahat ng dreams mo ay matupad mo. Okay? At syempre, sa iyong YT channel, more saging, more revenue. Ayan. Andito po si Haller Vlog. Ayan. Bumabati sa iyo from Korea with love. Bye-bye. Love ya. I got it.